What up, YouTube? It's your girl Liz Role, and today we are doing who's most likely between me and Liz Zile, and we have our mother. Answer phone. I'll be asking the questions, and then we're gonna guess. But also, Mama will. But also, Mama will choose our nigga answers. But also, Mama will choose our landusa. Uzasinika besiyenzile le video disclaimer besiyenzile le video izolo ha sound of
sayifaka ngoku
but besiyenzile so we do, but also chose different questions, so it's fine. So let's start my EP questions. Listen, you know what is that?
Yeah, no, you can't know
question. Can we start? Okay, who's most likely to give their kid an unusual or terrible name? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, I don't know that I'm stupid.
Okay. Most likely to pull a siki like who's Gulisa? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I've done that before.
Who's most likely to be late for everything? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Most likely to spend hours in a YouTube conspiracy theory hole? 1, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So it too.
Most likely to get caught. Okay, no, I'm not gonna ask that one yet. Most likely to get lost in their own home time? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is like I'm now sweating. Most likely to have their own reality show? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, in that nigga.
Okay, most likely to become a CEO? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think it's.
Yeah, I'm just that stupid.
Most likely to marry a celebrity? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Most likely to never get married? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm not gonna get married.
Most likely to have a divorce? 5, 4, 3, 2. Because I'm not gonna get married, I can't get a divorce and I think. Most likely to no. But most likely to win a Nobel Prize?
Most likely to have an affair?
No. Just avoided it because I proved triggerish. I proved triggerish.
So avoid the risk.
Most likely to win the Nobel Prize? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm just that smart, man.
Most likely to join a cult? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Anybody?
Cult.
Yeah.
Oh, but the best is fine. You like we groups.
But if you say the word funny,
Most likely to write a bestseller, like what the bestseller? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What?
Most likely to commit a crime? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think when we are come like misled or something. Most likely to become a prime minister? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This video is about us. Wow, most likely to forget their friend's birthday? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I never birthday. I know everyone's birthday. Come on, I don't forget birthday. I may not, but happy birthday. But also, I my birthday. Most likely to eat something off the ground. Let's see. I'm sorry.
I've done that before.
Most likely to break a world record? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I know you have the reality show, so must see. Most likely to go on Love Island?
Damas.
Yamas.
Okay. I wanna lie for you. Personality.
But who watches reality show more than him? I feel like
because we try TV every day.
Most likely to become a millionaire? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think both. Most likely to shoplift? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm giving it to you. Most likely to spend all their money on something stupid? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I say, oh yes.
Most likely to get a terrible tattoo? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know. I will get a tattoo, but I will never get a terrible tattoo.
I won't get a tattoo.
I will get a tattoo. No. Okay, most likely to adopt a rescue pet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I love dogs.
I hate animals. I'm sorry.
Who's most likely to finish eating first? Lizzie.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to talk in their sleep? Is me. Who's
does
most
go
likely to have a messy room? And if only. Don't both. When the cleaning, I'm very clean. I'm very clean. I'm very clean.
Who do you think?
Who's most likely to become a vegetarian?
I'm in love with the meat.
Who's most likely to cheer another person up? Listen.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying.
Who's most likely to eat with their hands? I feel like we're Africans, so
Both.
yeah.
Come here.
Okay, and
Nina.
Yeah, the apple as well. Papa, you guys.
don't forget to like,
It's only
comment,
pointed.
subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to your friends, family,
Dog.
enemies, dogs, pets, youngest, share. And go watch our previous videos, please.
If you don't live in Cape Town and watch us,
Wait first, subscribe. We're gonna wait for you. That's all. If you didn't subscribe, I'm gonna slap your mom. Ma?
and always know tough times never last. Only tough people last.